4 years ago, people told us that the market for online games in Europe wasn't mature enough to support a game like World of Warcraft. I'm incredibly proud to stand here today and say without a doubt that you proved them very wrong. In fact, Blizzard now has 2 separate offices to support our European players. One office just 20 kilometers from here in Belize, and one in Cork City, Ireland. I'd like you to all please say hello to the more than 600 employees from the Belize office here today who helped to make this event possible. Has been an unbelievable one for us. Last year we launched the fastest selling PC game of all time, our first World of Warcraft expansion, The Burning Crusade, which sold 2.4 million copies in the first 24 hours. World of Warcraft grew from 8 million subscribers to over 10 million and counting. We had more big news last year. We also announced our planned merger with Activision to create Activision Blizzard. In a sense, you could say that we just leveled up. What does this mean for you? Well, if I do my job right, you shouldn't notice any difference. Despite being part of this new organization, our focus at Blizzard Entertainment will remain the same: to continue making great games. Last year's Worldwide Invitational was held at the Olympic Park in Seoul, Korea. This was the setting of our announcement for StarCraft II. Before we continue, I'd like to share with you some highlights from that event.